Baikambadi Industrial Estate, Mangalore. Even a Baikambadi in the Parana, Othiri industries all over the area. Matrala almost 150 to 200 industries in Nagathana. In the Namledikam was the Vecti, very important person in Bodhita. He is the president of Canada Small Scale Industries Association, then president, and as well as he is the council member of Karnataka Small Scale Industries, as well as he is the proprietor of Ashirvad Engineers. Even a Baikambadi interview. Anyways, we are going to share a lot of experience through him for this channel and for our viewers today. Namaskar, sir. Sir, which is your hometown actually?
Mangalore.
Mangalore. So how long you are there into this industrial estate?
Since 1985.
Since 1985. What was your qualification?
BSc AMI.
AMI. After completing your BSc, what was the first work you have done?
I joined for a job in Bombay.
Okay.
A similar line. That is an engineering unit or SICK unit we had taken. I used to work there. There, a working experience made me to put an industry in my hometown.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So how many years you worked actually?
4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
4 years in the same company in Bombay?
Same company.
Okay. It's related to engineering works?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, normally when people move out of the place, people used to come from Kerala to Karnataka, and people from Karnataka move to some other place.
Yeah.
Why is this kind of culture is existing inside every state? Why those people are not able to survive in their own state?
That is a peculiar situation because unless some people leave their native place, they will not develop. That's why some are leaving their native places. But people like us, we want to develop ourselves in our native place. We came back to native place to put up our own unit in our own native place, hoping that native place will develop.
100%. And of course, I can see that development in this Baikambadi area. Baikambadi is known as to be I think it's all big industrial area here.
It's the second biggest industrial small industry area in Karnataka. First is Pune and Bangalore, second is Baikambadi.
Second biggest small
industrial area, small industrial area.
Small industrial area.
Yeah.
So how many industries are there?
700.
700.
Yeah.
I see. 700 all big industries are here.
No, all small scale, micro, small, medium enterprises.
All enterprises are there.
Big is separate.
Big is separate.
Bigger are separate are there. Like MCF, BSF, MRPL.
Chemical and fertilizer.
Yes, chemical
and fertilizer. And what are you dealing through Ashirvad Engineers? What is the activity of Ashirvad Engineers?
It is basically a service industry for catering the engineering needs of the engineering workshops and all. Actually, we have started this unit in Mangalore because there was an offshore fabrication yard in Mangalore called Mazgonda Limited, who are catering to ONGC for offshore. ONGC. They have started a unit in Mangalore, which made me to come to Mangalore. Unfortunately, they closed the unit in Mangalore because of a lot of other problems. They left, closed the unit. Then the MRPL came, which we cater needs the MRPL, Hindustan Lever, wherein big equipment erections, piping, we used to do that for all the fabrication. That is the main
activity. So whatever kind of engineering works comes to you, you normally fabricate those kind of work and give the delivery to the customers, or you go to the customer place and do the fabrication?
Both we are doing. Both. Some customers, some equipment we are doing the custom place only. Because MRP, big erection, and we are there only. Some small items like bolt, nuts, anything, some small items, carryable items we will make in our shop and give them.
So you have both in-house and out-house activities?
Yes, both.
And you said like MRPL. MRPL is a very big thing. It's a Mangalore Refineries and Petroleum Limited.
Yes.
So normally it contains lot of big equipments. So normally it is an industrial unit and engineering unit too. When it comes to all big containers or all big storage containers or tanks or whatever it is, everything requires the instrument through engineering department.
Yes.
So what kind of project you have done for MRPL?
No, there are companies like Toyo, L&T, ANS and your Gammon India, all came there. For them we are doing services. They are taking the big projects, turnkey projects they are taking. Turnkey, they are taking on turnkey. Where they are civil, mechanical, all equipment workers. And whatever our capacity they will give to us. We have to go there and register our names in their industry. We should show our capacity. Accordingly, they will give jobs to us. So after doing one hour job, we will get developed. We have done erection of the coolers in the MRPL, one of the Madras company. They are just only erection is required for the Mangalore, MRPL. The fabrication they have done, Tamil Nadu, they brought it by road here.
I see.
Just unloaded here, we have to put it around 80 meters above the staircase, above the building, we have to put it and assemble and give the function we are making. We are making. In MRP or that also we have done a lot of jobs, like erection of pump sets, turnkey project, some recycling units, wastage discharge pumping station. That also we have done turnkey. A small turnkey project, around 30-40 lakh turnkey project we can make.
30-40 lakhs?
Yes.
My God, that's a big
No, see, this ONG, L&T recently they taken one turnkey project of 3,025 crores.
Yes.
That-
L&T has almost started one of its unit in Tamil Nadu also. And actually, normally you do the fabrication work for the bigger units also.
Yeah.
And I just have a question whether you will do services for the fabrication which has been already done by some other people.
That is for erection only we are making.
Uh-huh.
While some of the equipment was made in the tire workshop they brought here, for the erection we have to give services for the erection. For fabrication we are doing from the raw material, then we have to fabricate. They will give the raw material to the site. We have to fabricate structure and erect there. There are two types are there.
I see.
One equipment erection separate, one structural fabrication separate.
So that is entirely
Entirely
separate.
separate.
So both the things you are doing.
We can do so.
And how about your AMC? You give AMC for all the things you are doing?
John?
AMC?
Yeah. No, we are doing, that EMC is not coming in our picture because that is, we are making the equipment as per the specification, as per inspection, everything there. That EMC is not coming in the way. Only we have to give a guarantee for a year or our performance survey for 6 months, 3 months we have to give. That's all, nothing is there.
So nothing other than guarantee or
No.
warranty or
So
maintenance?
we are not making any particular plant, design in the plant we are not making. If you design a plant and erect it, you have to give the EMC.
That's correct.
That correctly. That's the one thing.
So that for your kind of work, AMC is not required.
Not required. But we are giving services for a main client got some work because if you have done the work for L&T, some erection job, some problem come they will call us.